What if you could create a cinematic AI movie from just one simple prompt? Can AI really create cinematic videos from just one prompt? Today, we're putting Flova AI to the test. AI video creation is evolving faster than ever, but can Flova really generate professional quality videos that save hours of editing? In this video, I'll test it from start to finish and show you exactly what it can do. Here, what you're watching wasn't created by a Hollywood studio or a professional film crew. Every cinematic scene, every character, every environment, every camera movement, and even the storytelling was created using Flova AI.
That's not from Earth.
I was honestly amazed by how realistic and cinematic the results turned out. If you've ever wanted to create movie-quality videos without expensive equipment or advanced editing skills, you're gonna love what Flova AI can do. Let me show you exactly how I created this incredible short film from start to finish. Flova is designed to help creators turn simple ideas into cinematic videos using AI. It combines multiple creative tools in one platform, making video production faster and much easier. You can easily organize scenes and suggest cinematic camera movements to give your video a professional polish. Inside Flova, you'll find several AI tools for different creative projects. I'll use the narrative short film skill to create a complete cinematic story. All I need to do is enter a simple prompt and click Generate. Flova takes care of the rest, turning one idea into multiple cinematic scenes automatically. In just a few moments, Flova starts building the story, characters, camera angles, and scenes automatically, saving a huge amount of editing time. Within moments, Flova has already created a complete storyboard from my prompt. It even maps out the characters, scenes, environments, and story flow automatically before generating the final visuals. Once I'm happy with the storyboard, Flova generates the visual assets and cinematic scenes, making the entire creative process fast and effortless. Flova automatically creates a detailed storyboard based on my prompt. It organizes the characters, environments, and story structure, giving me a clear preview before generating the final visuals. Flova automatically creates consistent visual assets for your characters and environments, then generates cinematic scenes that match your approved storyboard. Even while the assets are processing, you can see the workflow progressing in real time. Once everything is complete, your story is transformed into polished, ready-to-use cinematic scenes. Flova refines each character's voice to keep the narration natural, emotional, and consistent throughout the entire story. Once the voice is approved, Flova saves it as the preferred reference, ensuring every future scene stays consistent and ready for production. Then Flova generates consistent cinematic scenes, ready for editing and final export. Flova makes AI filmmaking faster and easier.
Stay tuned for my honest review at the end where I evaluate if this is a must-have tool for you.
Now we're looking at the final cinematic scenes generated by Flova AI, and honestly, I'm really impressed with the results. Every scene looks incredibly detailed, from the lighting and camera angles to the realistic character expressions and smooth animations. The consistency between each shot makes the entire story feel like a professionally produced film. What impressed me even more is how Flova AI keeps the same character, visual style, and storytelling flow throughout the project. The built-in voice generation and cinematic sound effects add so much emotion and depth, making every scene feel alive and immersive. Instead of spending hours switching between different editing tools, Flova AI brings everything together in one place. Whether you're creating short films, YouTube content, advertisements, or cinematic storytelling, it makes the entire creative process much faster and easier. The final quality honestly exceeded my expectations, and it's amazing to see what AI filmmaking can achieve with Flova AI. Now let's see the finished cinematic short film created entirely using Flova AI.
Har yrfisen från kunjusan. Och mycket heter att skjutas här.
That's not from Earth. You're alive.
you'd like to explore Flova AI yourself, you'll find my referral link in the description below. But Flova AI isn't just for cinematic sci-fi films. Let me show you another project I created. This peaceful ocean scene was also made using Flova AI. Whether you're creating relaxing nature videos, cinematic stories, music videos, or social media content, the same platform gives you the flexibility to bring different creative ideas to life. Now let's see the finished cinematic short film created entirely using Flova AI. This final result looks amazing. Flova combines cinematic visuals with calming music and ocean ambience to create a professional-looking video. I really like how everything works together automatically. Listen to the relaxing soundtrack and watch how beautifully the scenes flow together. Before we wrap up, I also want to show you another part of Flova AI that I really like. This is FlovaTV, where you can explore videos and creative projects made by other creators from around the world. Browsing through these examples is a great way to discover new ideas, learn different storytelling styles, and see what's possible with AI-powered video creation. Whether you're interested in cinematic films, product advertisements, short stories, travel videos, or creative social media content, there's plenty of inspiration here. One thing I appreciate is the variety of projects available. It really shows how flexible Flova AI is. You can start with a simple idea and create content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, business promotions, educational videos, or personal creative projects. If you're ever unsure where to begin, spending a few minutes exploring these examples can spark new ideas and help you plan your next video. It's a great resource for both beginners and experienced creators. Overall, Flova AI isn't just a video generator. It's a complete creative platform that gives you the tools and inspiration to bring your ideas to life much faster. As you've seen throughout this tutorial, Flova AI combines idea generation, storyboarding, image creation, video generation, music, and final export into one smooth workflow. Instead of switching between multiple tools, everything is organized in one place, making the creative process much easier and more efficient. I've tried many AI video tools, but Flova AI surprised me with how well it keeps the characters and story consistent. For creators who want cinematic storytelling, this can save a huge amount of production time.
If you'd like to explore Flova AI yourself, you'll find my referral link in the description below.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI innovation insights.